Alright, that's perfect. That's perfect. The sun is shining over here. Right? It took me a while to get this angle for this video because I was in the shade and it was a little dark. So now that the sun is shining on me, I could go right into it. What's up? I hope you're feeling good today. This is your boy Jon Belcher here. And what we're going to be talking about in this video are the 6 signs that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor. Because that's what we all want. We want the law of attraction to be manifesting in our favor instead of coming against us. So here's the thing. Everything that you've been dreaming about, you're about to get. The cars you've been dreaming about, you've been holding in your mind, you're about to get. The house you've been holding in your mind, you're about to get. The relationships you've been holding in your mind and thinking about, you're about to get. The man you've always wanted, you're about to get. The woman you've always wanted, you're about to get. Every last abundance and prosperity you're about to get, as long as you continue to believe that you're deserving of it. Because you gotta understand something. If you feel you're only deserving of $1,000 extra a month, well then that's exactly what the universe is gonna give you, because that's what you said you wanted. $1,000 extra a month. If you feel only good enough for $500 a month, the universe is gonna give you that, because that's where your cap is at. That's where your income cap is. But what if you believe you can earn $30,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $10,000 a month, working for yourself as your own boss? What if you believed you can manifest $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month? Do you think that self-confidence will get you to move more powerfully, move more efficiently? I think so. I really, really think so. But you gotta understand, you got everything inside of you right now to achieve what you want to achieve. And you gotta believe that. So sign number 1 that the law of attraction is working in your favor and manifesting for you is that you may wake up every morning, you've probably been waking up every morning with a new burning desire, a new passion in your heart to go after what you truly want. And that passion that you've been waking up with or going about your day with, it's a little windy, so please just disregard the wind. It's just nature, that's all it is. But that passion that you've been having each and every day, that passion is aligning you with what you want to manifest. So don't let go of that image in your mind. Don't let go of that dream in your heart. You'll find that the more passionate you become about your life and the more passionate you become about the direction in which you're headed in, because you got to stay focused on the direction. You stay focused on the direction no matter what's happening on the journey. The more you're going to find that you're more energetic. The more you're going to find that you're going to have a positive feeling, because when you have an image in your mind of what you want and you're going after it, that positive feeling starts to take over you. That energy, you start to get energy sometimes out of nowhere. Sometimes you find yourself, wow, I didn't even eat yet today, but I'm energetic. I'm so passionate. I'm so ready to go. I'm so motivated to get moving, because now you've found new life. You found something that you can connect yourself with, that can bring you to your greatest self. You know what I'm saying? So that's the sign number 1. You've probably been feeling more passionate than ever before. The second sign that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor is you probably noticed that some of your behaviors might have been changing. Maybe your habits might have been changing. You're probably taking your job more seriously. You're probably taking your career more seriously, your business more seriously, your fitness more seriously, your health more seriously. You've been taking certain things more seriously, and that's because the law of attraction is telling you, look, you're about to get every last thing you've came here to get. Period. That's it, period. So what happens is, before I go on to the third sign that the law of attraction is manifesting for you, what happens is basically when you're holding an image in your mind of what you want to attract, the lifestyle you want to attract. It could be something materialistic, but realize that it could also be something that money can't buy. Whatever you're thinking about and whatever you're attracted to, it could be something money can't buy. But let's just say, for example, it is something materialistic that you really, really want. As a sign of your success, as a sign of your growth, because all materialistic accumulation is a byproduct of what's been going on within your mind. It's a byproduct of what's been going on in your heart. That's why we're on a mission together, to help improve the hearts and the minds of the people in the world. So that's just a byproduct. So now when you hold that image in your mind, you imagine what you want every day, right? It's a repetitive thing you want to be doing. When you're holding that idea in your mind every single day, literally, it's a holographic image being held in your mind. It's like a 3D image that's being held in your mind. You can see it. You can feel it. You probably could taste it and you probably could touch it. Think about yourself eating your favorite food right now, right? Or eating a pineapple or something, or fruit that you really, really like. You probably, just from me saying that, you probably can imagine it, what that fruit tastes like, what that fruit smells like, how that fruit feels. You probably experience your mouth watering, because literally that 3D image is a holographic image in your mind. And then what happens is, in the universe, right, out there in the galaxies, whatever you want to call it, that same image is imprinted out there into the universe. That image that you're holding in your mind is imprinted out there. So it's like an invisible line or connection between the image held in your mind and the image held in the universe. And now the universe, once it has that image, and you keep showing the universe that image through picturing it in your mind, the universe will create a hologram in the universal world, in the universe, right? That hologram that's going to create that 3D hologram out there is like it's physical, but it's not physical at the same time. It's happening, but it's not happening at the same time. You know what I'm saying? And then the sun just went behind the clouds. So if it's a little dark right now, just keep watching. But yeah, so that's what keeps you connected. And that's how, you know, people be like, oh, I felt like the stars aligned. And then that's how they had success and their dreams started coming true, because the stars aligned. Well, it's just that they got aligned with their vision. They got aligned with the mental picture, whatever they've been wanting. Whatever you've been wanting, you just got to hold that image in your mind. That's all you got to do. The body's going to act. It's going to act for whatever it is that you want. It's going to take the right action. The universe is going to be working on getting the right people around you. The universe is going to be working on getting the right opportunities around you to make this come to fruition. But you got to believe that you could do it. You got to know that, look, I'm deserving of that money I want to earn. I'm deserving of that lifestyle I want to get. I'm deserving of the relationships I want to have. I'm deserving of being treated right. I'm deserving. I'm fully self-confident. I have full abundance and prosperity. And you have to know that to be true. Not just saying it, you know, not just saying it just to fake it, but you have to feel that way and feel secure about that. Third sign that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor. You might find that you're a little lonelier than usual, right? Because you're a little lonelier than usual. You might find that the people you used to hang out with, you probably don't hang out with them as much anymore, right? You might find yourself a lot of times working on yourself, working on your business in your own home or in your own environment, in your own solitude. But the law of attraction is just sitting you down so you could buckle down and get prepared and set the stage for where your life is about to go. So that's all that's happening when you start really like, damn, you know, you start thinking to yourself like, I've been lonely for the past few days, you know, just working on business and working on this. But literally what you're in is you're in a flow. You've been in a flow, in a consistent flow of taking action, envisioning, speaking your world into existence, speaking your world into existence. That's what you've been doing. And if you're getting blessing from this video, please share this video with 5 friends or family that you know, right? 5 friends or family that you know, somebody who you feel will be benefited from this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you've been liking these videos I've been dropping, subscribe to my channel, right? I'm feeling good today. I got a little drip on today, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can show you real quick. You know what I mean? You keep the Timberland, the moccasins, boat shoes, or whatever. Hey, you know what I mean? I'm feeling good today. But yeah, clothing store coming soon, right? Clothing store coming soon. But yeah, so that's the third sign. You might find yourself you're more alone lately. The fourth sign is you may be feeling like you're at a standstill in life, like nothing's moving. Now, in that period, you can either choose to have thoughts that discourage you from continuing where you need to go and where you need to be in your purpose, or you may choose to use that moment to start to grow, to start to learn, to gain more knowledge, maybe to read more books, maybe to watch more of these videos. But you may feel like nothing's happening, nothing's moving, you're like, damn, the results aren't coming in yet. And you're like, damn, I need the results. But what's happening is you got to understand that in the moment where nothing is happening, that's the moment where anything is possible. You're in that uncertainty phase, and that's not always a bad thing. A lot of times, you can't even fathom what's about to happen in your life. But you just got to get out of your own way, get out of your own head, and step into the power of who you are. Remember, you're already that person you want to be. You just got to embody that now, whether or not the income is there, whether or not the success is there, whether or not the accomplishments is there. Be successful in the mind first, because that's how the universe is going to grant you whatever you want. You know, so in the moment of stillness, that's just a time to reflect. That's just a time to gain understanding. That's just a time to gain clarity. That's all you got to do when nothing is happening. And then once you make a decision on what to do next, you start moving in line with that, what you want to do. You start taking action immediately. You'll find that as you go through life, and especially if you have like a dream, or you're passionate about something, or you're on a journey to accomplish something great, you'll find that in the wind, right? I don't want this to get knocked down, so just bear with me, right? The wind is cool, because I've seen this thing rocking a little bit. But it's beautiful out here, right? Even with the wind, it's beautiful. But yeah, I forgot what I was just saying. I think I just lost my train of thought, which is all good. It's all good. But I'm about to end this video soon. So, all right. So then, yeah, things are feeling like nothing's happening. The fifth sign that the law of attraction is manifesting for you, right? The fifth sign that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor. You've probably been thinking a lot more about ideas. You've probably been getting more creative ideas than normal. All kinds of ideas probably been popping in your head. And you've probably been undecided in which idea you should take advantage of. You know what I'm saying? You've probably been undecided, like, you know, which idea should I embark on? What should I do? But all these creative ideas is all about organizing those ideas in your mind and then taking action. That's all it is. Organizing those ideas and then taking action. Being creative. And that creativity comes from a source that you can't even really see. Like, sometimes you get these ideas in your mind and you may not necessarily know how you got that idea, but that's a nudge for you to take action. That's a nudge. The universe is saying, look, do this. Do this next. Take action on this next. Create this next. Do this idea. Don't keep the idea in your mind. You know what I'm saying? So the sixth sign, right? The sixth sign that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor is that you'll find probably that you've probably been building new connections with new people. You've probably been around new people who can get you to the next level or help you get to the next level. And that doesn't mean you always have to disown the people you used to know, but maybe the new people coming into your life are people who are in line with where you need to be. And they're the relationships that's going to be built upon to get you to where you want to be. So that's the sixth sign. You may find that your circle may be changing a little bit, but don't fight it. Don't fight it. Just watch what's going on and see what's going on and see where it takes you. Because probably those new people in your life, those new connections, they're in line with your vision. They have the similar type of holographic image in their mind. They headed in a similar direction. So don't fight it. Be open to it. Those are probably the people who are going to be a part of your mastermind later on. So those are the six signs that the law of attraction is manifesting in your favor. Now, for those of you, if you want to earn passive income from home, check out the link in the description. There is an opportunity where I provide, we provide training, marketing courses, all that stuff. How to build a brand online, how to make your first commission online. And this is a solely 100% commission-based business. So if you've been interested in learning how to make money on the side, right, or on your own terms, or maybe you've been thinking about quitting your job or something, there's a link in the description below. You could click on that link to get started on my team. I'll give you the training right away so you can hit the ground running and start making your own income as your own boss, getting the knowledge of marketing and branding, and really just turning your passion into a paycheck. Because this is more than just about spiritual growth and more about the mindset growth, right? This is also about, if you don't have nothing to apply the law of attraction to, then what's the point? You know what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is, the time is now. The time is now. There's just too much technology out now. There's too much different means of communication for you to not be enjoying the fun of making your own income online, seeing commissions come to your phone, working with new people, working with new clients, working with customers. If you really want to get your game up with that, I got an opportunity for you in the description below. And I remember one last point before I go. This is how the law of attraction, sometimes how associations can get you what you want. This is an example of how associations and the people who you are connected with can get you to get you to manifest what you want in your life. You know what I'm saying? And the affiliations that you have. When I was much younger, I remember I started going to one of my cousin's house over the summer, and we would hang out. My cousin and my other cousin, they were brothers. And their dad always been into motorcycles. Their dad always rode motorcycles, had a bike club and all of that. So he was basically raising his sons in the same footsteps. So he bought them dirt bikes at a very, very young age. My cousin, he bought his sons dirt bikes at a very young age. So whenever I would go to their house, I would ride their dirt bike. Sometimes they'd let me ride their dirt bike with them. And now I'm young, and my dad would come around and see me ride with them and stuff like that. And then I started asking my dad, can I please get a dirt bike? Can I please get a dirt bike? And I'm young, right? I'm probably like 12 years old or something like that. And I'm like, Dad, can I please get a dirt bike? Can you please get me a dirt bike? And at first my dad was real skeptical about getting me a dirt bike, because I guess maybe he was thinking about the danger. And they're expensive at the same time for a brand new dirt bike. So all of that stuff, So then I just kept begging him, and then my cousin, the older one, who's the dad of my other cousins with the dirt bike, was telling my dad why he should get me a dirt bike. He was explaining to me, let them get a dirt bike, so when they go out to the park, he has his own dirt bike, he could ride with them, they could go to the trails and all that stuff. Make a long story short, thank God my dad got me the dirt bike. He bought me the dirt bike. But if I didn't start hanging more around those cousins that had a dirt bike and that were a part of that world already, it would have never created the law of attraction to manifest me with the dirt bike, right? You get how that works? But because I started affiliating more with those cousins, my dad got me the dirt bike because he seen them riding the dirt bike. He seen that they were safe, and he was like, you know what? Yeah, let the kids have fun, and he bought me a dirt bike. So that's another way that manifestation can happen for you, just by affiliation and just by who you're around. And when people bring you into a new world, they can explain things to you and break things down to you that you probably didn't know about before. But I want to say rest in peace to my cousin Justin, though, because much years later, when he got older, he actually passed away on his motorcycle. This is about 2 years ago. So I want to say rest in peace, and I want to have a moment of silence really quick. All right. But yeah, so, life is just what you make it, what you thinking about, what you focused on, in the mind and the spirit. That's what life is about. What you focused on in the mind and the spirit, the life is going to just show you. It's going to reveal it to you. It's going to reveal it to you. That's really the workings of the law of attraction. Is what you're focused on is what you're going to get. More or less. It's how it always works. It's what you're going to get in results. It's what you're going to get in lifestyle. It's what you're going to get in company. It's what you're going to get in health. It's what you're going to get in wealth. So always be mindful of the way that you're feeling. Be mindful of the way that you're thinking. That's all you got to do. You could get that, whatever you've been wanting, it's coming to you. I'm telling you, it's coming your way. It's coming to you. I'm telling you right now, it's coming to you. It's coming to you. It's coming your way. That's my last message for this video. It's coming your way. It's Jon Belcher. Peace.